Good morning, folks. This is Naeem Aslam, Chief Market Analyst at Trade, and welcome to our daily technical analysis video. In today's analysis, we'll be looking at silver prices, which have jumped over 8% since last night, and that is primarily because what Reddit traders are doing to metal prices now, just like the massive short squeeze sort of a phenomenon we saw on stocks last week. Now we're seeing something similar going to happen with the metal prices as well. Before we do anything else, as always, it is important for me to go through this disclaimer. Anything which will be discussed cannot be perceived as advice. If you are seeking for one, please do consider consulting with your own financial advisors. Now, folks, as always, I'm going to bring out the MT4 platform, and on the weekly time frame, I'm going to show you the big bounce that we are seeing. So 2 weeks ago, we saw this small sort of a bounce when the prices moved from 24 to $25. That was a $1 price move. But last week, we saw this massive move when prices moved just below that $23, just that $24 price level to all the way to above $28. And as of today, the prices are up more than 8%. As you can see that the price is up more than $1 and nearly $2. We can say that the price is literally up. And it has also pierced above the upper line of the Bollinger Band. Now, what is the importance of the Bollinger Band? When the prices go above the upper line of the Bollinger Band, that means that the volatility of that derivative under the current circumstances, it is silver, is very high. And that means a mean reversion trade. A mean reversion trade meaning that the price where it is trading currently is likely to reverse its direction towards its 20-day simple moving average, which under the current circumstances is trading just below that $25 mark, as you can see on the chart. So, will we see these prices reversing towards this 20-day simple moving average? I think the chances are very likely. But can this price continue its journey to the upside? Can we see more momentum to the upside given where the prices are trading? So as you can see, back in January 2013, the prices were trading in around these particular price levels where they are trading now. But the resistance that we see from 2013 is in around 32 price level. So I'm going to draw our resistance level by taking the high of this candle right on the top and then the high of this one. So the resistance for Bitcoin is for silver is at 32.299 to 32.1 31.299 to 32.17. So that is the sort of a resistance area that we are really looking at. And now, if the prices will continue to the upside, that is great. But if they don't, what we have to keep in mind also is that the price has formed a double top, meaning one top over here and then the other top being over here. So double tops are usually quite good and strong reversal patterns, and usually what they mean is that the prices are likely to reverse their direction and the prices are likely to move to the downside. Now, given the fact that the price has pierced the upper level of the Bollinger Band, as I have discussed before, which means that the prices are likely to reverse their direction. So from this particular double top price level, from double top where the double top has formed, the price can reverse its direction to the downside, which is right towards its 20-day simple moving average. And if we look at the RSI is also showing at us that it is trading near overbought area, because anything which is near 70 or above 70 represents overbought area. Now we have three different indication that silver prices, despite the fact that they are moving to the upside, they can move lower. Number one, we have a double top. Number two, the price has pierced the upper level of Bollinger Band, which means a mean reversion trade, meaning the price is moving below 25. Number three, the price has also the RSI has also reached an overbought area. So all three signs are indicating that perhaps prices will reverse their direction. However, because of the short squeeze on Reddit, something that we are reading now, because remember on Reddit for the last few weeks we had this short squeeze phenomena going on the GameStop, and that translated into other stocks as well, such as like AMC, BlackBerry, Blockbuster, and several other stocks. So now those Reddit traders are looking for a short squeeze, meaning they're trying to drive bigger institutions, hedge funds out of this trade who believe that silver prices will trade to the downside and it is overbought. So they try to support silver prices, and that is what pushing the prices higher. But overall, looking at the price action, it seems like the silver prices are very, very likely to retrace, and the minimum retracement that we'll be expecting for the prices will be towards their 20-day simple 20-week moving average. Now, if we change the time frame and if we move on to our daily time frame, what we see from a daily time frame perspective is again the minimum retracement is going to be near 25.79. Currently the prices are trading at 29. So overall there are more chances for silver prices to move lower rather than they continue their journey to the upside. That's all for now. I'll see you guys next time.